Good today, folks. I'm doing excellent today. I've got you this Gixxer Suzuki SF bike. In the video, folks, I got you this Suzuki SF Gixxer bike. Features are good. Top features of the bike. Yeah, Gixxer SF bike it is, folks. Gixxer SF bike I will be getting started on. Features are you do get the LED lights, dipper, digital cluster, integrated disc brake, and yeah, Gixxer SF new bike it is. Features I've told you. Yeah, good features, good bike it is. Mirrors are there, lights are there, LED, Suzuki badging, LED lights, Suzuki badging, tires, sturdy tires, good sturdy tires. Front look is good. Side look is also good. Gixxer is a bike it is. New one. Gixxer is a bike. Yeah. Sturdy bike it is. Lights are there. The lights, good lights. Lights are there, folks. Yeah. Digital cluster is there. Good digital cluster is there. Good digital cluster is there. Yeah. Digital cluster. Yeah. Bike. Petrol diesel hood there is. Yeah. Buttons you are getting, folks. Good buttons. Yeah. Buttons are good. Bike is sturdy. Gixxer bike it is. Gixxer sturdy bike. LED light. Dipper. Number plate area is LED. Bike it is, folks. Bike it is. Yeah. Yeah. Bike it is. One, folks. It's a bike. Yeah. It's a bike it is. Suzuki badging you're getting. This Suzuki badging you're getting, folks. Yeah. Bike, sturdy bike. That bike is good. Yeah, bike is sturdy, bike is nice, bike is cool. Gixxer. Bike. Good one. Nice bike. Bike. Bike it is. Yeah. Gixxer bike. Gixxer badging. This is bike badging. Bike is good. Back look also looks a good of this bike. Yeah, good looking bike. Good features. Features. Suzuki badging. Badging. Go for this bike, folks. Telling you, go for it. Just go for it. Don't think. Just go for this bike. Compact Gixxer is a bike. This is. So like it is. Yeah. Yeah. So like, yeah, go for it, go for it. For the Gixxer is a bike. Like a good for good. This bike here. Yeah, bike is good. Yeah. And this is the final front look, folks, of the Suzuki Gixxer bike. Final front look, folks, of the Suzuki Gixxer bike. Features, I'm telling you, features are locating the LED lights, dipper, front end disc brake, and digital cluster, and yeah. And go for his bike. Back at black LED lights at back, yeah. Yeah. LED lights, yeah.